Number 5. Hello and welcome to the boosted backseat car safe. In this video, we'll be showing you how this amazing car safe will keep your valuables safe from theft. The boosted backseat car safe is designed to fit perfectly in the backseat of your car, so you won't even know it's there. It's made from heavy-duty steel, so it can withstand any kind of force that would be used to try to break into it. The lock on the car safe is also very advanced. It's a combination lock, so you can set your own code to access the safe. You can also set it to automatically lock after a certain amount of time, so you don't have to worry about someone getting into it while you're away from the car. The boosted backseat car safe also has several other features that will help to keep your valuables safe. It comes with an internal light, so you can easily see what you're putting into the safe. It also comes with an adjustable shelf, so you can store different items in different levels. The boosted backseat car safe is also very easy to install. All you have to do is attach. Number 4. Are you looking for the latest and greatest dashcam technology? Look no further. The BlackVue 750 to CHIRLT dashcam is an innovative and reliable dashcam that is perfect for your car, truck, or SUV. This dashcam features an infrared IR lens, so it can capture footage even in the darkest of environments. It also has a full HD 108 OP front camera and a HD 720p rear camera, so you can get clear, high-definition images of your drive. With the built-in 3G for LTE connection, you'll never miss a moment. The BlackVue 750 to CHIRLT dashcam also features a built-in JAD sensor, so it can automatically detect and record any sudden movements or impacts. It also has parking mode, so it can record important footage even when you're not in the car. You won't have to worry about running out of space either. Number 3. Are you always looking for ways to organize your car and free up space? Look no further than the AstroAI hooks to pack seat headrest hooks for purses and bags. These hooks easily attach to your car's headrests and provide the perfect place to hang your bags and purses. No more searching for a place to store your items. With the AstroAI hooks, you can keep all of your items organized and stored away safely. Plus, these hooks are incredibly durable and made with a heavy-duty material that can hold up to 10 pounds. Installing the AstroAI hooks is quick and easy. They come with all the tools you need, so you can attach them to your car headrests with no problem. Plus, they have an adjustable design, so you can customize them to fit the size of your car. If you're looking for an easy way to organize your car and free up space, then look no further than the AstroAI hooks. They are a must-have for anyone who needs a convenient place to store their items. Check out the AstroAI hooks to pack seat headrest hooks for. Number 2. Are you looking for a high-definition wireless backup camera to ensure safe driving? Look no further than the Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera. This camera is designed to provide a clear view of the area behind your vehicle, making it easier to reverse and park safely. It easily attaches to your license plate frame, and its HD resolution ensures that you can see everything in great detail. The Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera is simple and easy to install. It comes with a wireless transmitter and receiver, so you don't have to worry about complicated wiring. It also includes a 118° viewing angle, a 4.3-inch monitor, and a single video input. This camera also waterproof construction, so you know it will last no matter the weather conditions. The Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to ensure their vehicles are safe while they drive. With its HD resolution and wireless connection, it's easy to install and provides a clear view of the area behind your vehicle. This camera is the perfect way to ensure a safe and secure drive, no matter the conditions. So if you're looking, number 1, welcome to the world of outdoor camping. If you are looking for the perfect way to enjoy the outdoors with your family and friends, then the iKamper Skycamp mini rooftop tent is the ideal solution. This tent is designed to be lightweight and easy to install, making it perfect for those who want to take on the outdoors without breaking their back in the process. With a steel frame, heavy-duty ripstop canvas, and a waterproof rainfly, This tent will keep you dry and comfortable in any weather conditions. The iKamper Skycamp Mini is designed to fit on most vehicles and can be set up in just a few minutes. The tent also features the person sleeping capacity, a large mesh window, and 2 installation options. You can either install it directly on the roof of your vehicle or mount it on a rack system.
The Skycamper Mini also comes with a variety of accessories, including a ladder and an awning. The ladder allows you to get in and out of the tent safely, and the awning provides a cool shade during the hot summer days. The iKamper Skycamp Mini rooftop tent is the perfect way to